Hello. It's going to be a windy weekend. Saturday and Sunday looking fairly blustery. Temperatures will be a bit higher than of late. Reasonably mild, particularly noticeable in the mornings. We should be largely frost-free this weekend, but some places will be sunshine-free as well. There's going to be quite a lot of cloud around. There's been a lot of cloud for the last few days, staying fairly cloudy on Friday night. Some rain pushing south across Scotland into Northern Ireland, and it'll turn a bit damp and drizzly over Northern England and North Wales by the time we start Saturday. Following on from this band of cloud and outbreaks of rain, there'll be lots of showers, and it's here where we'll really start to see the winds picking up too. Now, those strengthening winds means we should keep temperatures up above freezing. We generally start the weekend, certainly in towns and cities, 6 to 8 degrees. We will start the weekend, though, with fairly grey skies over the Midlands, some patchy rain here into South Wales and across southern parts of England. It will turn a bit damp for a time through Saturday morning, but once that's out of the way, much of England and Wales will be dry. There'll be some rain for Northern Ireland through the middle of the day, and it's going to be quite a wet afternoon across western Scotland. We'll see the rain pushing back into northwest England by 3 o'clock in the afternoon too. But elsewhere, further east, further south, we may see some breaks in the cloud, a hint of sunshine coming through. But as I said at the start, it is mostly going to be cloudy and it will be windy, but reasonably mild. Temperatures on Saturday afternoon, where we see any brightness in the south, 10-11 degrees Celsius, mostly 8 or 9 further north, but it will feel cooler than that because of the strength of the wind. Now, the rain really peps up through Saturday afternoon and Saturday night across the northwest of Scotland. Some heavy bursts there over the Highlands. That's something to keep an eye on. Elsewhere, a bit of patchy rain trickling southwards, and then we're looking at another band of rain heading south as we go into Sunday. That, again, behind to the north of that will introduce slightly colder conditions and some stronger winds. That's because that is a cold front. It's pushing against high pressure, which will mean the rain will tend to fizzle out. But as the cold front pushes south, particularly later on Sunday, colder air will be working in across the north. And look at the number of isobars. It will be a windy day on Sunday. There's that band of rain fizzling out as it pushes southwards, but a bit damp for a time on Sunday morning over northern England and parts of Wales. Further north, it turns brighter with lots and lots of showers packing into northern Scotland, and it will be very gusty here too. But also it will be turning a little bit colder. Now, these are the maximum temperatures on Sunday, 10 or 11 degrees, quite mild. But we'll see these kind of temperatures early in the day across the north. By the afternoon, the temperatures will be dropping down. Look at that, just 3 or 4 degrees across Shetland, where the showers will turn wintry. Later on Sunday, we could see some sleet and snow to relatively low levels. And that leads into next week, which starts pretty chilly. Turns milder for a time, but there's a strong signal now that from the middle of next week, it could start to turn quite a bit colder, and that may last for a while. So that's definitely one to watch. Keep up to date with the forecasts. There's always more on the Met Office website. Download our app or follow us on social media.